Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to customize Shopify themes in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to come here on your Shopify store admin dashboard. Here, simply hover over to the left hand section, then click on the option of online store. Over here in the themes, you will see which theme your account is currently using. So as you can see, it is Horizon theme for my Shopify store. It can be different in your case, but the customization options are quite similar. So here, click on the option of customize right next to the theme that you have. This is going to open the live theme editor where you can basically preview your store and make the changes in the real time. Over here in the left hand panel, you will see a bunch of different blocks like we have header, then slideshow, featured products, and footer. So here you can click on any of the sections that you want to adjust. Like let's say you want to adjust the header section. So you can click on the option of header. After that, you can change the logo in your header. Then we have the menu option. You can change it to left, right, center, and then you can also scroll down and take a look at the font's size position. So you can change the header in whichever manner you like. You can add more sections. So here you can click on the option of add sections, then select which section you want to add and where. After selecting it, it is going to basically added in your theme. Then you are going to see the templates option. So here you can click on the option of featured collections. So this is the section where all of your featured product will be shown. So you can increase the product count, you can decrease it, you can change the column size, then you can do bunch of different settings over here. If you want to remove this section from your theme, you can simply select it, then click on the option of remove block here from the left hand side. Afterwards, we have the option of footer. So if you click on the option of footer, you will be landed here. By default, in the footer, you will find the tagline of your Shopify store, then an email. But if you want to add more, if you want to make more changes into it, you can just simply select the section. Then you can just click on the option of this add here, and you can add a section to footer. From the list, you can choose anything, like I have selected contact form. As you can see, now the contact form is added in the footer of my Shopify store. So you can change the layout of it and save it by clicking on the save option here in the top right hand corner of the screen. So this way you can customize your Shopify themes in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.